Hey guys, I just want to come on real quick and talk to you about the four things that your money needs in order for it to grow. It needs growth, it needs safety, it needs tax advantages, and it needs a whole lot of protection. The problem is that many of us were told that we have to diversify our portfolio to get all four of these things. What if I told you that there's a place where you can put your money in one spot and get growth of up to 15% compound interest, and then you have the safety where anytime the market goes down negative, you get a positive 0.75%. And then also when it comes to tax advantages, you get tax-free withdrawals, you also get a tax-free loan, and when the money grows, you get no tax on that money. And yes, when we talk about protection, let's talk about protection against any lawsuits, any garnishments, child support, and even divorce. This is what's important for you to learn, where to put your money in one place. We have all heard that don't put your eggs in one basket because you got to diversify, right? No, the person that said that was incorrect. You got to put your eggs in one basket so that way you can watch them all grow. Growth, safety, tax advantages, and protection. It's time for you to learn where. Click the link in my bio.